Hi students, today we are going to discuss some MCQ questions from areas related to circles. Okay, 14th question. The circumferences of a circle increases from 4 pi to 8 pi, then its area is halved, doubled, tripled, quadrupled. Okay, the circumferences of a circle increases from 4 pi to 8 pi. Circumferences of a circle C is equal to 2 pi r. Then 2 pi r is equal to 4 pi. We can cancel this pi and pi. Then 2r is equal to 4. Therefore r is equal to 4 by 2, that is 2 centimeter. Okay. Then we have to find the area. Area A is equal to pi r square, that is pi into 2 square, that is equal to 4 pi centimeter square. Then the circumferences of a circle increases from 4 pi to 8 pi. The new circumferences is equal to 8 pi. That is 2 pi r is equal to 8 pi. We can cancel this pi and pi. Then 2r is equal to 8. So r is equal to 4 centimeter. Then area is equal to pi r square, that is equal to pi into 4 square, that is equal to 16 pi centimeter square. Okay, then the area become 4 times. Old area 4 pi and new area 16 pi. Then 16 pi divided by 4 pi. 16 pi divided by 4 pi, that is equal to 4. So area is quadrupled. That means our option D. Understood? Okay. The next question. The radius of a circle diminished by 10%, then its area is diminished by 10%, 19%, 20%, and 36%. Radius of a circle is equal to radius of a circle, that is r. The new radius is equal to the radius of a circle diminished by 10%, means r minus 10 by 100 into r. Understood? We can cancel this 0 and 0. Then we will get r minus r by 10. Then 10r minus r means that is 9r by 10. This is the new radius. Then its area is diminished by. Then original area of circle, that is equal to pi r square. New area is equal to pi into r square, means 9r by 10 into 9r by 10. Then 9 into 9, 81 pi r square divided by 100. This is the new area. Then the area is diminished by change in area. Change in area is equal to, this is the original area, so pi r square minus 81 pi r square divided by 100. Pi r square into 100 means 100 pi r square minus 81 pi r square means that is 19 pi r square divided by 100. Okay, this is change in area. So the area is diminished by 19%. Diminished by 19%. So our option is B. Understood? Okay. The next question. If the area of a square is same as the area of circle, then the ratio of their perimeter is pi is to root 3, 2 is to root pi, 3 is to pi, and pi is to root 2. The area of a square is same as the area of a circle. Area of a square is equal to pi r square. Therefore, A is equal to root pi r. Okay, then the ratio of their perimeter. Ratio of their perimeter. Perimeter of a square, that is 4a, is to, then the perimeter of circle, that is 2 pi r, then 4 into a, that is r root pi, that is to 2 pi r. We can cancel this 4 and 2, then we will get 2 here, and r and r. Then root pi and pi we can cancel here, then we will get here root pi. So in the ratio 2 is to root pi. Okay, otherwise we can do like this: 4a divided by 2 pi r, that is 4a, 4 into a, that is r root pi, divided by 2 pi r. We can cancel this r and r, 4 and 2, then pi and root pi, then we will get here root pi. So 2 by root pi, that is equal to 2 is to root pi. Understood? So our option B. Okay guys, study up to here. The remaining questions we will discuss in the next class. Until then, bye bye.